Good day, viewers. Today I'm going to talk about that what attitude and approach should we have while looking for a job or while applying for a job. Normally what happens is that when we are applying for a job or we are approaching a recruiter or employer, we just tell them that I'm in a bad need of job, I have a big family, I have big responsibilities, I need to support them. Please remember that an employer is a businessman and he has opened this business for profit, for revenues. When you are asking for a job, you should not try to request for a job on the basis that you need it and it is for your needs, he should help you. Rather, you should work on your skills and your qualification and present them in such a way that the employer or recruiter will know that you are offering your services and skills to solve one of his problems, to help him generate greater revenues, multiplied revenues. Only in that case an employer would hire you. You should be telling him that what specific problem of his you can solve, how you can help him. Don't ask for help for yourself. Tell him how you can help him, what you can do for him. This way you will be able to get a job. So the very first thing, I repeat, that we ask an employer or a recruiter is that how you can help him, what problem you can solve. And for that, remember, you are selling your skills and your professional qualification, your qualification and your skills. So you have to present. It's just like selling another thing. It may seem odd to you while you hear it, but this is how it is, that you have to sell your skills. You have to sell yourself, for your time. You're selling your time and your professional expertise and telling them what you can do for them. So let's fix our approach and let's contact the recruiter or the employer in the right way. Thank you. Good luck with your job search.